In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of selecting a homepage for your Canvas course shell. First, I'll click on the course card for the course I want to modify. Here, you can see that the syllabus page is currently set as the home page for my Learning Technologies course. I'd like to change this. To do so, I'll click the Choose Homepage button on the right side of the screen. A pop-up window will appear, allowing me to select from several options for the homepage, including Course Activity Stream, Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignments List, or Syllabus. I want to select Pages Front Page, but it's grayed out and not selectable. This is because a front page must be set before you can choose it as the home page. To set a front page, I'll click here to go to the All Pages section of my course and designate the desired page as the front page. On this page, the first step is to locate the page you want to set as the front page. Ensure that the page is published, as this is a requirement for setting it as the front page. If the page is unpublished, click the Publish button on the far right of the page name to publish it. Next, click the More Options icon and select Use as Front Page. Now, navigate back to the home page by clicking the Home button at the top of the left navigation. Click the Choose Home Page button on the right side of the screen again. This time, the Page's Front Page option will be enabled and clickable. Select this option and then click Save. And there you have it. Your home page has been successfully changed from the syllabus to the custom page you created. In my next video, I'll show you how to create your own custom page. I hope this video helps you effectively choose a home page for your Canvas courses. Thank you for watching.